Okay, we're at the Windows 2000 desktop again, and we've got the MSMT495 in the test bed now. So it's the middle card in the lineup. Have to say, Intense 3D drive is really good. Swapped the cards over, started the machine up. No reinstalling the drivers, no messing about restarting. It's just detected the new card and really fast. So I have to say, no matter what the performance is, the drivers are excellent. Okay, let's have a look at this card in the drivers. Okay, it's coming up as a different card this time. So now we've got graphics type Realism II VX113-T. We've got texture memory 16 megabytes and frame buffer 16 megabytes. Other settings are the same. So we've got more texture memory on this card, which is good. Let's run Quake first. Got Fraps running. That looks more promising. Oh yeah, performance is much better. 30 frames per second. Wondering whether the extra texture memory is helping here. Yeah, this is pretty decent. It's got a solid 30 frames per second at 640 by 480. So that's a lot better. Oh, 40 frames per second there. It's a lot better than the first card. 48 frames. And we're not getting the big slowdowns that we were getting. I think the other one was bottlenecked by memory. Had the 16 meg memory expansion, it might have been a lot better. Okay, let's stop that. So yeah, I'm impressed with that. Big difference. Yeah, that's brilliant. Let's have a look at spec view performance. Let's run the first benchmark. Oh yeah, we're up to 4 frames, slightly better than before. Five, still not great, but better. Yeah, so that's an improvement on the 440. Let's just run one of the other benchmarks, just see how that runs. Let's run the next one, because some of these were abysmally slow on the first card. I just didn't even bother trying to run them. Yeah, this is pretty slow, but it's actually better than on the 440, but it's still pretty bad. See, these cards predated this version of the benchmark, so can't expect too much. It's amazing when you put a modern card on, you see how fast that runs, because it runs absolutely, so fast. Let's get that scene up again. Oops. Let's get all the settings the same. Okay. I'll just move the camera, see how it performs. Yeah, it does feel smoother. Definitely smoother. So yeah, we're getting better performance in Softimage as well, which is nice. And we've still got the drivers still working really well. So yeah, pretty pleased with that. So that's the MSMT495 is to be recommended, because what we've seen so far, much better performance. Let's just try Unreal. Now, I wouldn't even bother trying to run it on the 440, because performance stunk, but let's just try and play Unreal in OpenGL mode. Probably won't work so well, but let's just try it. Quite hard to get. You can get Unreal Tournament working with these cards okay, but Unreal not so great. Not brilliant, but it's a lot better than when I tried it on the 440. But yeah, we're still down in the dumps, still down in the 10 frames per second range, but it's getting there. If we could just double that performance, it wouldn't be too bad. Let's say you can have some success with Unreal Tournament, but Unreal, the original game, not so great. But works, looks okay. No sort of problems with the graphics, just lacking performance. Okay, let's try the next card, the MSMT495.